Alright, Lego Fanatics, we're back. We're gonna put these blue studs and everything on here. Like that. That one there, that one there. Then I'm gonna put these two tan arches in here. Like this, and another tan arch in here like this. And this is gonna go on the bottom of this thing. Okay, that's weird. Let's see what we got going on here, because apparently alright, just like that. That's how it goes on. Just like that. Okay, so it gives it that rounded looking to it. Okay, so let's go on to see what else I got. Okay, so I need one of these, one of these, one of these, one of these, and one of these. Okay. So this goes here. This one goes over the whole. Oh, I need two of them. There we go. Two of them. See? Like that. Okay. This goes here. Like that. And this goes up against here. Like that. And this piece goes like that. Just like that. Ta-da! Okay. So let's see what the heck we're making here, because I think this is the front. Okay, so I need two of these. And one of these. So this is going to go here. These two things are going to go one there, one there. Okay, so I think what we're making here is the front of the train. I'm going to go a little bit further in here. Maybe finish this page. Pull some parts here that I need. One of those. Okay. So this is going to go there, right? And this one is going to go here. I'm going to flip it over, turn it around. This is going to be like that. Then this one is going to go like that. Alright. Okay. I'll see you in the next